We'll guide you through how to fix a green screen on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and you can go and see I've got a green screen here. Now you may be in the position of where your phone screen is completely green or it's tinted green. We're going to guide you through different fixes you can try doing in order to go and resolve this. So you can go and watch this full guide, and then you can go and see what's going to go and work for you depending upon your situation. So this problem can be quite worrying and concerning as you're thinking that your phone's going to be permanently like this. But hopefully with the help of this guide, we're going to go and get out of it. So if it's completely green like mine, often this can just go and be a software problem. And so what we can do is we can go and resolve this, and you'll be finding that you can't go and use the device as well. But don't worry, we can actually try doing a hard reset or a forced restart, and we should be able to go and get out of it. And don't worry, doing this will not go and lose any photos or files or any data. So we're going to do a restart as often it's just a software problem. So to go about this, we're going to be doing a button shortcut. So we're going to be pressing the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side button. We'll walk you through this step by step. Let's get started. So you want to go and press volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side button. Now you want to go and keep this held down. Depending upon your current situation, you may go and see, it will go and say slide the power off on the screen. In some cases it won't though, so you just want to go and keep it held down. Shortly it's going to go black. You only release it when you go and see the Apple icon. As I said, it may go and say slide the power off, or it may just stay screen, or it may just stay green during the process. It doesn't matter. Just keep it held down. And as I said, only release it when you then go and see the Apple icon. And this indicates it's now coming back on and it's starting again. If you have an older iPhone, it will take a little bit longer to come back on. And as you can see, it's now back on, and hopefully it will now be out of the green screen. Now, if you're still finding that it's tinted green, we can still go and resolve this, don't worry. So let me go and unlock this. So if it's tinted green, this is due to a display setting. So to go and get rid of this and turn it off, you need to go and head into your settings. So you can go and find settings just here, wait for this to load. Now you need to go and scroll down, and you want to go and find the option for accessibility. You want to come into here. Then what you want to do is you want to go and scroll down and find the option for display and text size. So not far, it's in this top vision section. And then what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down, and you want to find color filters. And what may be the case is that it's set to color tint in green, and it's just very intense. So you can lower it if you want to keep it. Otherwise, just go and completely turn off color filters like so. And that's it. Hopefully now you've got your phone back to normal and it's no longer green. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We post guides like this every single day on iPhones, Android, Windows and Mac, and much more. So I'm sure you're going to find something else useful. So consider subscribing and liking the video. If you have any suggestions as well, then feel free to go and put them down below in the comments, and I look forward to going and seeing if there's anything we can do with them.